Hey guys, you are watching Tanmoy's tutorial. Today in this video I will show you how to write a Armstrong program. So Armstrong number is a number which when divided into each digit, or if a number is divided into parts so that each digit is tripled and added with the next digit, then it will become the same number. So I'm writing the question. Write a program to enter a number and check for Armstrong number. For example, we'll take 157. I think so. Let us find the Armstrong number. So what's the Armstrong number? It's 153. Yeah. So 153. So let us check whether it is right or not. 1 into 1 into 1 plus 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3 will give us, let us add it, 1 in plus 5 5 to 25, 25 into 5 125, 125 plus 9 9 3 to 27, 27, 153. So that's the Armstrong number. So it will give us 153. So now let us write the program. First we will include the library classes. Which is stdio.h. Now we'll write the main function. We don't need all that, so normal main function is enough. And don't forget to write return 0 since we are using an integer function. Now let us take an input as n, which will be our number. Let us take as number, more appropriate. So printf enter a number to be checked as Armstrong or not. Okay, so after that you will enter scanf, which will take the input from the user. So %d, because we will be taking an integer, and the ampersand and the variable number. Simple. Now we have to run a while loop which will extract each digit of the number from last to first and then triple it and add it to a variable. So we will take a variable sum which will be equals to 0. Remember to initialize all the variable which is not inputted by the user, which is not taken entry from the user. So the sum has to be initialized as 0 or else it will take a garbage value. So now we will run a while loop while n, since we have entered the number in number, we have to make a duplicate of it. So let us take int n equals to number. Okay, so there is we have made a duplicate of the number. So now we have to make while n not equals to 0 so that we can extract the digits from the number. So I will take an integer d which will be representing a digit. Integer d will be n modulus 10, which will extract the last digit from the number. Now we have to add it with sum. So sum will be equals to sum plus in brackets, since the last digit is d, so it will be d into d into d, so it is tripled or cubed. Now we will delete the last digit from the number, so we will do n equals to n slash 10, which will exclude the remainder which was first used. So after that, after the main logic was this part, the while part. This is the main logic. Now we will check whether the sum of the cube is equal to the number. So for that we will use a if sum equals to number, which is the original number, we will be printing printf percentage d, which will be a number, is a Armstrong number. So with in place of a it will be an grammatical mistake number. Else you will print percentage d is not an Armstrong number. After that we have forgot one thing, that is the value which will be put as d, so it will be number. Okay, here also it will be number. So now let us save it and check it in compiler. Check. So now we will check whether the Armstrong number program that we have written is correct or not. So I will be opening the Armstrong number file. This is our program, so we will try to run it. So there was no error in the program, and we have got the terminal. Enter a number to check whether it is Armstrong or not. So we will write the correct answer 153, which will give us Armstrong number which was expected, and let us check with the false case, which will give us 154, and it's not Armstrong number. So the program is running perfectly fine, and the logic is very easy and very simple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. Please subscribe my channel, and I will be uploading a programming video every day and teach you how to write it. Thank you.